here is the unboxing of the Lenovo Y580. This is a, Lenovo calls it a gaming laptop. I wouldn't really consider it a gaming laptop. It doesn't have the greatest gaming specs. But just to go over real quick, it has a 1 terabyte hard drive. It's the latest 3rd generation i7 processor. It also has a 8 gigabytes memory. It has Bluray Drive, wireless N. A lot of cool things. It's got 2 gigabytes of for video memory. It's the NVIDIA GeForce. I can't remember the exact model, but I'll put it in the description. Put everything on it. Here we go. First look at it. Take it all out here. Get the charger. Here's the battery. I have here's the laptop. Get this all out of the way. This is the 15.8 inch screen. There we go, there's all the parts. It does come with a book. See, it's the Y580 version. Gonna go ahead and take it all out of the plastic. It's actually got a good size power brick here. The battery, 6-cell battery. Says it's rated for about 4 to 5 hours. We'll see if I can actually get that. I'm not expecting that, but we'll see. Do a quick run around with it. And there we go, there you have it. It's a nice little shiny finish. See how long that lasts. It's got a backlit keyboard, it's Windows 7. It does have onboard. It's a JBL, not onboard. It's a JBL brand speaker, so it's rated for pretty good speakers. JBL puts out some pretty good speakers, so that's a plus. It does. I do see the sticker here. It is 660 GeForce GTX 660M. Is the graphics, 2 gigabytes of video memory. So we'll take it up and run here. We'll get some more videos.